Hi everyone, I'm back. So I have cut out pieces, right? Remember there were four, right, for the hat. So here's the visor, and it says cut 2, and so there are two pieces here. One will act as the facing, one will be interfaced, and so we'll have the visor there. Here we have the side, and this is also cut 2. Cut 2 is usually written on the pattern if you get mistaken. So it says here cut 2. I have it sideways, right? So it was cut, and you have to be two pieces here. So I've cut that out, and you have to be careful also with the markings. There are markings here, like for instance fold lines for the different sizes. This is the fold line for large, so I would have done a marking in chalk at the back to indicate to me where that fold line should be. And each pattern piece, you have, once you've cut it, you have to examine it to see where you're to do the specific markings. Some are dots, so here's a dot on this one, so on the back of it on the wrong side would be the dot, and the other piece on the wrong side here, there was a dot under there. So that's the sides, and it's two because you have a left and a right side. This left and right side will be attached to the center. This is a center piece. It's just one single layer of fabric. It's just cut one, and this will be attached to the sides. And here we have the band, and the band was cut 2. It was cut on the fold from this end, so I've actually put the two together. Here's, I can get it, there's one fold and the second fold, and I've just pinned it together. So it's one long band like that. So the fold allows you to open it out, and so this will go around the circumference of the head and tie once it is open out. The other piece is will act as a facing, the second piece. So that's it. That's the cutting. That's all you have to do for simple pieces for the hat. So we'll move on now that we have done our cutting and our marking. We'll be moving on now to stitching. Next.